Hello, welcome again to my channel. Remember, you're still learning with Mr. K, and today I'll be looking at data entry. Okay, but this is going to be automated, where you type in something and the system will give you feedback. All right, so just pay attention, focus, and see how we're going to achieve this. Make sure you have your laptop, just next to you. Maybe you can be watching this on the smartphone and working on your laptop. Just make sure you're not just watching, you're doing something with me. Okay, now the first thing we do is to go to the event block and we'll bring out our trigger, which is when green flag is clicked. So when we click on the green flag, the codes will start running. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to go to the sensing block and we'll bring out this block that says ask. Okay, and this time around I'll be asking, what is your name? Okay, so the ask and wait block, what is your name? That we'll be asking. Okay, so the next thing we are supposed to do here is to create a variable. I'm working with names, but I need to create a variable, and this variable, I'm going to call this variable name. This variable will be called what? Name, or you just name, or you call it my name. I'll call this variable my name. Okay, and I'll click OK. So here I have a variable called my name. Now look at my cursor. If you look at the stage, this variable called my name is showing on the stage, but I don't want it to show on the stage. So because I don't want it to show on the stage, I will go back to variables and I will uncheck this box here, and once that is done, it's going to disappear from the stage. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to set. I'll come here to this variable. I will set my name variable to answer. So I will go to sensing and I'll pick answer. So I will set my name variable, I'll set it to answer. Okay, so ask what is your name. I'm setting my variable, which is my name, to what? Answer. Then I'm going to go to looks. I'm bringing the one that says say hello for 2 seconds. So this simply means that if I run this code, it's going to ask me what is my name, giving me a space where I have to type what my name is. Okay, then it's going to what? Say what? Hello. It's going to say what? Hello. So let's go this way, and I'm going to run this code by clicking on this. And if you look at this below here, it's asking what's your name? And my name is Mr. K. I'll just put Mr. K. Okay, Mr. K. I'll just put Mr. K and hit the enter key. It says what? Hello. What is your name? Mr. K. And it says what? Hello. Now what if I want to just say, instead of saying hello, just tell me welcome? Okay, I'll just put welcome here. I'll remove what is here and I'll put welcome. Okay, I'll put welcome. So I'll run the code again. What is your name? And my name is Mr. K. And I hit the enter key. It says welcome. Now, but I want to touch this code a little. Instead of just telling me welcome, I would want it to say welcome Mr. K. Welcome Mr. K. Okay, welcome Mr. K. So I'm going to take out this. Okay, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to bring in this code that says join. I'll bring it out and go back to my looks and bring the one that says just say only hello and put it here. And I'll take this one and put inside of this place. Okay, then I'm going to type here welcome, and I'm going to put here that variable which I created. I'm going to put my name. So it says what? Say welcome my name. The my name variable, whatever name I put here, that is going to answer here. Is that clear? Exactly. So I will now come again and run the code again, what is your name, and I will say Mr. K, and hit the enter key. It says welcome Mr. K. Now, but if you look at this, you see that the names are joined. Welcome and Mr. K, they are all joined. So what you do is this: when you run the code, you want to type your name. First of all, hit the spacebar once and type your name, Mr. K, and hit the enter key to run it. It says welcome Mr. K. Well, I hope you enjoyed this particular